Hi there, welcome to my KC class. This is Balakrishna here with the topic abstract noun. Abstract noun is the most important noun than other nouns because most of the children get little confused regarding abstract noun. Abstract noun is like an adjective. Both abstract noun and adjectives are similar, so that while the student write the sentence they get little confused regarding abstract noun. But so friend, today I will clarify all the doubt. So far you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel so that you will be getting my all the videos first. Let's get started now. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun is nothing but it is the name of a quality, feeling, action, state or thinking. It's a name of a quality, feeling, action, state and thinking, etc. See friend, abstract noun we can't see and we can't touch, but we can feel and we can understand. Okay, abstract noun we can feel and we can understand, but we can't recognize and we can't see and we can't touch it. So what are the qualities? What are the words refers to abstract noun? Just we discussed the qualities: bravery, kindness, goodness, honesty, etc. These are the quality. We know we describe about some person by seeing their quality. It's not it. By their appearance, we can describe their quality. It's their attitude. It's their action. Yes? In the same way, action. What are the action? Usually the human being do in their day-to-day life. Laughter, laughing means not laugh. Laughter, laugh it's a verb. Laughter it's a noun. Hat, you may say hat. It's a verb. It's a noun. This is abstract noun. Hospitality. It means we treat to someone nice way. Hospitality. If a guest come to our house, we show hospitality. It means behavior. We should treat well. That is hospitality. Theft. So theft is an abstract noun. Okay. Then state. What is that? Brotherhood, boyhood, sleep, youth, slavery, loyalty, charity, success, courage, deceit, etc. These are the states. Okay, then and feelings. Feelings, ideas or concepts. Belief, dream, justice, truth, faith, liberty, knowledge, thought, trust, etc. And so on. In such a way, many words are there, friend, in abstract noun. To remember the abstract noun and to memorize the abstract noun, it's very difficult. But I'm sure I'll clarify and I'll give you easy tips you can memorize by adding the suffix. Before that, we have to remember one point, friend. See, friend, the quality does not exist separately. It exists in person, animal or thing. We know that by seeing the quality we can describe the person, animal or thing. To get clear idea regarding the quality, I will give you some example. See, through this we can understand that what is abstract noun and how the abstract noun and adjectives are similar and what are the difference to each other. Let's see my example. He is a kind man. He is a kind man. How can we say that a man is a kind? Because he has kindness. Yes. So here the word kind is describing to man. Man is a noun. Though the word kind is describing to man, so it is called an adjective, friend. Remember, it's an adjective. It is not an abstract noun. It is an adjective. Whereas kindness is an abstract noun. Kindness is an abstract noun. Okay, friend, don't get confused. My another example is she is a beautiful girl. Why we said that a girl is beautiful? Because she remains beauty. Yes, so that we can say she is a beautiful girl. Yes, Here the beautiful word describing to girl. Okay, so the word beautiful is an adjective and girl is the noun. And what is an abstract noun? Beauty. Beauty is an abstract noun. This is the logic, friend. You have to remember what is the difference between abstract noun and an adjective. Abstract noun and adjective both are similar because abstract noun is what? Abstract noun is feeling, idea, concept, yes, and quality. Same way, adjective means it describes to the noun. Adjective describes the noun. It's a quality, quantity, nature. That's the reason both words appear similar, so that most of the children get a little confused. But friend, try to understand this concept so that you never get a confused. To remember to identify an abstract noun, I will give you more tips and I will give you more example so that you will get a clear idea. How an abstract noun is formed by adding some suffix. By adding the suffix, you can form an abstract noun. Okay, friend, and see what are the suffix. See, friend, the nouns with the following suffix are often used with an abstract noun. Some suffix are there we can use with a noun which will be an abstract noun. So what is suffix? Suffix is a word or a group of letters which comes at the end of the word. By adding the suffix with a noun, it produces a new word. Okay, so what are the suffix you see? For example, tion. Generally these letters and this is the word, it comes end of the word. Yes, tion, another tion, sion. This is tion, this is sion. It's actual pronunciation tion, not tion. Okay, procession. Generally we should read procession, not procession. Okay, that is the correct pronunciation. And ment, moment. Yes, movement, movement. Move plus ment, movement. Then ness, good plus ness, goodness. Yes, and ship, relation plus ship, relationship. Ance, appearance, appear plus ance, appearance. Yes, then ence, preference. Yes, ity, ability, ability, ability. Yes, ability. Ear, anger, ear. Yes, so these are the suffix. By adding the suffix we form some words which we can identify very easily. And to clarify the difference between adjective and a noun, we should go through this process, friend. Remember, this is the most important because most of the words are similar. Both the adjective and an abstract nouns are similar. When you find this suffix in a word, then you guess that that is an abstract noun. That too, it's a noun. Okay. See some of the example. Information. Here is the word information. At last, what is the tion? Tion. Permission. Sion. Excitement. Ment. Happiness. Ness. Relationship. Ship. Appearance. Ance. Relaxation. Tion. Clarity. Ity. Good plus ness. It's a suffix. Yes. Goodness. Good plus ness. Goodness. See, friendship. Ship. Beauty. Beauty. And anger. Yeah. That's it. These are the words. Okay, friends. I hope you understood well. By adding the suffix, we can form an abstract noun. This is the most important. You have to memorize. If you want to know more, you have to follow my notes so that you will get more idea regarding abstract noun. Then we'll go through the next point, how to form an abstract noun with verb and an adjective. Okay. See, friend, our next point is derive an abstract noun from verb and an adjective or a noun. Okay, how an abstract noun is going to form. through the verb as well as adjective and a noun. Let's see verb. We know the verb, action of a human being. It's not it. Work of a human being. Work of a human being. Action. Yes, these are the actions. We are eating, playing, sleeping. Okay, these are the verb. Through verb we are forming an abstract noun. Through verb we are forming an abstract noun. What are the verbs? See, act. Act is a verb. What is abstract noun? Action. Act, action. Speak, speech. Speak is a verb. Speech is an abstract noun. Know, I know it. Yes, know is a verb, and knowledge, it's an abstract noun. Believe, I believe him. Believe is a verb. Belief is an abstract noun. Okay, try to understand the difference between verb and an abstract noun. Permit, I permit him. I permit him. Yes, your permit is the word. Permission, I took permission from him. Yes, so permit is the word. Permission is an abstract noun. Do, I do it. Do is a verb. Do, abstract noun is did. Okay, do, did. Then do, did. Okay, in such a way many verbs are there. I'll give you as an exercise you have to do, friend. Okay, then we'll go through derive abstract noun from an adjective. Adjectives and abstract noun. What are the adjectives? Able. Able is an adjective. Ability is an abstract noun. Kind is an adjective. Kind is an adjective. He's a kind man. See here the word kind came before. Here the word kind comes before the noun. So kind is an adjective. Kindness is an abstract noun. He has kindness, so that we are saying that he is a kind man. Yes. So kind is an adjective. Kindness is an abstract noun. Good. Goodness. Good is an adjective. Goodness is an abstract noun. Wide is an adjective. Width is an abstract noun. Strong is an adjective. Strength is an abstract noun. Happy is an adjective. Happiness is an abstract noun. He is a happy man. Yes, he is a happy man. So happy to happiness. Yes. Wise. He is a wise man. You are a wise guy. So here wise is the word describing the noun. So wise is an adjective. Wisdom is an abstract noun. Wise to wisdom. Okay, in such a way we can form an abstract noun through noun also. For example, brother is a noun. Brotherhood is an abstract noun. Boy is a noun. Boyhood is an abstract noun. In such a way many words are there, friend. You have to memorize, you have to read more and more, so that you will get a good idea about an abstract noun. I hope you understood well what is abstract noun and what is the difference between verb and abstract noun. What is the difference between an adjective and an abstract noun. Wow, what a great patience you have, friend. Thank you, thanks a lot being with me in your busy schedule. Okay, let me do a test. Exercise 1, exercise 2, yes, these are the exercises you have to do, friend. If you are able to do those exercises, then I feel very happy and I can feel that you are enjoying my class, you understood very well. Okay, friend, keep watching and I will be back with a new lesson. Bye for now.